Hello all, welcome and welcome back to my channel, and thank you for my new subscribers. You guys are awesome. I have another Temu haul for you. Thank you all for your support, your likes, your comments, the whole nine. First things first, I really needed to get some pastel colors for Easter. If you checked out my short for the eggs that I have, the mold eggs, egg molds. I didn't have any pastels before, so now that I do, I can make a few things. And if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. Link me to your site so I can get some ideas. These are all the colors. Some of them are actually not that bad. Where are they from again? Koyo DIY? I don't know. But apparently I got a nice surprise because I also ordered some metallic pigment. But I only ordered like 6. I got a whole pack here. And it comes in a reusable container. I always like that. Always love that. Let's see, I got some red, silver. I don't know what color that is. Reflective. Ooh, I like that. I guess that's fuchsia. Blue. Purple. I know my sisters are gonna like that one. And gold. And hold on a sec. Oh, well, it doesn't stay on well. And some more stickers for spring and Easter. It's a 30 pack. Those are really, really cute. I like the hearts. They're really, really nice. And I'm always going to take me some blue. Whoa, yeah, there's definitely 30 in here. Come on, focus. No, I didn't know this pack had bows in it. Oh, let me see if I can get some light on here. Maybe that'll help. Oh, there we go. Oh, do you see that? Butterflies and dragonflies. More butterflies. Don't worry if you didn't catch this. I'll put everything in a short so you can catch it better. Is that more butterflies? Yeah. As you can see, my sticker collection is expanding. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for subbing and thank you for liking my videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and have a nice day. Namaste.